guys, I'm Nilanjana and welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a very special guest, rather a VVIP. She is none other than my princess, my daughter Anya.
Hi everybody, so my name is Anya and I'm in the 7th grade.
Yes, today's video is going to be a very interesting one, my friends. Do watch till the end exactly what is the mystery all about. We're going to reveal it very soon. So without much jibber jabber, let's get into the video. So today Anya is going to share a very special incident, rather, right? It was an incident.
Yeah.
Yes, so she's going to share a very special incident that actually took place few days back. So would you like to narrate?
Yeah, Mummy, so today I would just like to share a very special moment that happened to me a couple of days ago. So here goes. So what happened was my family and we were just going out when suddenly we found a sick bird sitting quietly on top of our letterbox. So the bird which we found on top of the letterbox, the breed was a budgerigar and the short form is budgie. So it was really cute
And what color was it?
Yeah, it was a greyish blue color
Right.
and it had a bright yellow beak.
Yes.
So what I did was I gently held it in my hand and put it in a small cardboard box. So we also fed it a little bit of ORS water to make it active.
Okay, just to let you all know, my daughter, Anya loves
Yes.
animals. I mean, be it, dogs, I think I already had mentioned that I had a dog and she loves dogs, be it cats, dogs, fishes, birds. She's crazy about animals.
But not reptiles.
Yeah.
Apart from those.
Right. Yeah, so you can continue.
Okay, so what we did was we fed it or we provided her with a little bit of ORS water in a small bowl so that she became a little active.
Right.
And since she was very cute, as I mentioned before, I insisted my parents
Yes.
to bring her home. Okay, so that we could just keep her in a small cage and I could keep her as a pet.
Right.
And I immediately thought of a name for her.
Yeah, but initially both Amar and myself, we were a little against.
Worried.
Yeah, we were a little worried as well as against keeping pets because, once my dog Goldie, he passed away last year. So after that, we were like, no more keeping pets because the kind of attachment that you have. And after that, once they are no more, it becomes very difficult to accept the reality. So I made it very clear to Anya, nothing doing now. I'm not keeping pet, but it was a rescued bird. And when she said that, please, and she literally begged to both of us, and we couldn't say no.
But
Yeah.
it was actually a gift from my parents for my excellent result that I did
Okay.
for the first term.
Yes.
Okay, so this was basically what happened on that particular night, and now we have got another friend for my Budgie Blueberry, that's her name.
Yes.
For my Budgie Blueberry, and we have kept both of them in a big pink cage with food and a little bit of water for them to eat.
Right. So what happened
Now
exactly?
I think they are playing with each other.
Yeah, because we can hear them chirping. Just to give you a little backstory, we did a little research because since we have never kept birds before, we really didn't have much of an idea about birds. So we did a little bit of research and everything, and we got to know that generally budgies, or as in Bengali we say bodri pakhi, they are always in pairs. So we got in touch with a person and he said, yes, I deal with birds and we have bird cages also. So that particular night we got a beautiful pink cage and we got another partner for her.
Yeah.
Right?
And the special part of the cage is it has a little heart-shaped gate
Yeah.
drawn on it.
And what about the swing?
Oh yeah, we also bought a round pink colored swing for them to play with, and her partner, okay, his name is, we got her a male, so his name is Kiwi. He is in love with the swing.
Yes.
He really is in love with the swing, and he's a baby, he's hardly 4 to 5 months old.
Right. So today it's going to be a vlog kind of a video wherein I'm going to show how Anya, because I have given her the whole responsibility that
Yes.
you need to take care of your pets, you know, of the budgies. So what she does and how she takes care of it. So let's see what exactly and how she does everything.
Come on everybody, and let me show you my budgies. Follow me. So first, before I introduce you to my very special cute budgies, I would just like to show you my aquarium where I have kept my pet goldfish. And as you can see, they follow my finger, thinking that there's food. So this is it for the fishes, and now for the special part, these are the budgies. The blue one is Blueberry, and the yellow one over here is Kiwi. Kiwi is a male and Blueberry is a female. So as you can see, this cage that I bought, it's a very cute cage, especially for a male and female budgie living together. Okay, and I have just kept a little table tennis ball for them to play with, and this cute,
Where is that, Anya? It's not visible though.
this
Yes.
this one. This is a table tennis ball I've just kept in the cage for them to play with, and this is the cute pink colored ring swing, so as to say, for them to sit on and swing on it. And this is, as you can see, this is a bowl full of birdseed, and I've just kept some water for them to drink. So this is it, and I'm just going to show you how I take care of them. So today basically I'm about to give them a bath, and we're gonna go to the terrace.
Okay, so could you do one thing, Anya?
Yeah.
Could you even tell our family
Yes.
that what do they eat apart from the seeds?
Yeah, apart from the bird seeds, they also eat leaves and dark green leafy vegetables. So I have three vegetables over here. This one, this is kalmi saag, as you can see. Then this is spinach, and this is one of their favorites. They love to eat it. And this is a bowl of basil leaves. This is also one of their favorite vegetables. So this was it, and now we are just going to go to the terrace and have a little adventure with the budgies. Here are my budgies, as you can see, and let's go to the terrace. Before the bath is that this is a detachable tray, as you can see over here. So over here I just this tray just helps me to clean up all the mess that they have created. So that's pretty much it for this detachable tray. So I just like to place a paper on top of it so that no dirt is spread on this tray, and it's very easy to clean it also. So now I'm just going to give them the bath. And this is the opening of the cage, as you can see. Just lift this up and take care that they don't come out. Okay, and now it's time for their bath time. Okay, so with the help of this spray bottle, I'm just going to give them the bath. And make sure the water is very warm because they're susceptible to cold. So before giving them a bath, I would just like to say that this is the first time I'm seeing them so happy in the garden, obviously because they're in front of nature. And actually, as I mentioned before, Blueberry was a little sick, my budgie over here. But today I'm so surprised to see that she's so energetic and active. She actually tried to climb the cage with the help of her beak and claws. So now, without any further ado, I would just like to give them their bath. Blueberry. See? Okay, I think that's enough for their first day.
Yeah, I think so. They look so happy, right?
Very happy. They're literally roaming around the cage, fluttering their wings. So, since their bath time is over, I'll just give my budgies, Blueberry and Kiwi, a little time to dry up. And then, as you can see, I have a little bowl over here full of basil leaves. So, as you can see, properly washed. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open the cage and just put it inside, and they can have it whenever they want. Over here, I'm just you can see Kiwi has been very active throughout the day, and her eye is focused on this particular bowl of basil leaves, so I'm sure he's going to eat it pretty soon now. Weather over here is pretty cloudy and I think it's about to rain, so I'll have to rush down back. So this is all for today's video, and I hope you guys liked it. Please do give a thumbs up, like, share, comment and subscribe to my mommy's channel. And don't forget to click on that chotu wala bell icon so that you get notified whenever my mommy posts a new video. Do not forget to follow her on her Instagram. So I think this is all for today's video. I hope you liked it. Again, Kiwi and Blueberry, I would just like to say bye from their behalf also, and I hope you had fun in this particular vlog. Bye!